Greetings, Pelican families. Welcome to Port Wentworth Elementary's Forward to School video presentation for the school year 2021-22. I am your principal, Dr. Janae Gilbert-Collins. My email is on all publication that you will get. You can also find it on our website, and it's here for you as well. And our telephone number is 912-395-6742.
And greetings, Pelican families. My name is Dr. Holmes, and I am the assistant principal. I also can be reached at the school's number, and additional communication contact will be coming.
So let's learn a little about us. We are PWES, Port Wentworth Elementary. We are the Pelicans, where Percy the Pelican is our mascot. Uniforms are required this year, and our school colors are red, white, and blue. Our uniform tops may be those colors, red, white, and blue, and our bottoms are navy blue or khaki.
Communication with you is very important to us, so you will receive a weekly parent newsletter every Sunday. You can also connect with us on social media via our contact information below, so you can see all the great things happening in our classrooms and throughout the building.
Open house. Please join us for open house on this Sunday, August 1st, from 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. This is the time where you will be able to meet your child's teacher, and all attendees must complete a COVID screener with questions and have their temperature taken. If you're unable to attend in person, that's okay. Your child's teacher will provide a virtual open house video. We do ask that if you are planning to come on site, that you arrive before 2:45, and also to let you know that if your temperature is above 98.4, you will not be allowed into the building. Please note that open house will be the only time that parents will be allowed to come into the building right now, as our students are getting reacclimated to school.
The safety of our staff and students is our #1 priority. We would like to share with you that this school year, masks will be required for students and staff in all schools and any SCCPSS facilities. Visitors will also be required to wear masks at open house.
And for some other safety information, please provide a water bottle labeled with your child's name so that they can get water at our refilling stations. We no longer have water fountains, so our students have to use water bottles. Parents will not be allowed to walk their students to class on the first day. I can't reiterate that enough.
Our school supply lists are very important, so you can be prepared for the beginning of the school year. You can scan here to see the individual grade levels, and this will also be provided at open house by your child's teacher.
And meals, breakfast and lunch are at no charge to students this year. And also there is no meal application needed for the 2021-2022 school year.
There are many questions surrounding transportation. We would like to share with you that once the routes are available for eligible students, that will be shared by your child's teacher. It's important to note that masks are also required on the bus.
And our first day of school is August 4th. That's a Wednesday. Students may arrive as early as 8:45 to have breakfast, and they are considered late after 9:15. We will begin our dismissal at 3:30.
Before or after school care will be provided by YMCA. To register, please visit their website at YMCA of Coastal Georgia and contact the Habersham YMCA at 912-351-3622. We encourage you to do so immediately if you are sure you need before and after school care.
Well, thank you, parents. We appreciate you for tuning in for this informational video. We want to close with this year's theme that embraces our character traits. So this year, there is a rainbow of possibilities: trustworthiness, responsibility, fairness, citizenship, respect, and caring. We can't wait to share your students with us this year. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a wonderful school year.